Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my April Book and Pamper subscription unboxing, and you probably noticed something different about me if you've watched my previous videos. I've got glasses now. I've only had these a few weeks now, so yeah, I'm still getting used to them. But also I've noticed I'm getting a reflection from my ring light in my glasses, which is annoying because if I put my head straight, it's like you can see the ring lights reflecting, which is really annoying. And it also looks green because I think it's the anti-glare on my glasses. But yeah, that is really annoying, so I don't know how to avoid that really without maybe just not having my ring light, but I need some lighting. So anyway, we're gonna get on with the video and unbox this before my battery runs out. So let's see what's inside this month's box. This is the inside of the box. It's a nice postcard that says welcome to your April's box, and a little message on the back. Spring is in the air, and here at Book and Pamper we are so ready for some sunshine. It tells you about the products on the back as well. I'm not gonna look from that because I don't want it to give it away. Oh my god, no wonder it's so heavy. I thought it was heavy, and you'll see why. So I've got some bubble tea products, and this one is Bubble Tea Sleep Lavender and Lemon Essential Oils. It's a calming bubble bath, and that is a big bottle as well, and I love the colour as well. It's really nice. Look at that, I love it. Again, I love bubble tea products. And then this one is also bubble tea, and it's like a set, I think. And this is a body butter, again the lavender and lemon sleep, and that looks really nice as well. So those first two products already really great. The next thing we've got in here is called Yummy Comb Belgium milk chocolate and honeycomb. That sounds really nice. So that's my Easter treat, so thank you Book and Pamper. That looks really nice. I can't wait to try that. And then I've got my hot chocolate, and this is by Cafe Express, and this is an indulgent hot chocolate. Ugh, I love it. Can't wait to try this. Obviously PG tips, that's what I drink anyway, so that's a good one to have. And then I've got a Tetley fruit, raspberry and pomegranate. That actually sounds quite nice, so thank you. And then I've got a Nescafe original, now smoother. Bit of coffee there. So we've got tea, coffee, flavoured tea and hot chocolate, a body butter and a bubble bath. Now the book. Let's just move that box out of the way. So we have the book here now, and there's a nice bookmark on here, and it's a really cute one. It says to be continued because there's like loads of bees on it, and that's cute. Now we have, let's see what book we've got this month. This bit's always exciting as well, you never know what you're gonna get. Oops. Ready? And the book I got is The Bridesmaid. I've not heard of this one before. Oh, the book feels nice. You know when it's like a really nice smooth book. So this is what it looks like. It looks really nice cover. I love the rose on it. So it's called The Bridesmaid by Nina Manning, and it says your special day, your worst nightmare. Yeah, you don't want that happening, do you, on your special day? This is the back of the book. Got some thorns going across the top there, and there's a 5-star rating. Mind blowing. It's a must read. From the moment they met as children, Sasha knew that beauty Sasha knew that beautiful, wealthy and confident Caitlin would always be her best friend. Sasha would do anything to make Caitlin happy, even keep her darkest secrets. The years have passed, but their friendship remains. And when Caitlin announces she's getting married, there was only one choice for the role of the bridesmaid. Sasha will make sure Caitlin's wedding is as beautiful and perfect as she is, won't she? But as the big day approaches, cracks begin to appear, because no matter what Sasha does, she never seems to make Caitlin happy, and the secrets that once bound these two friends now threaten to rip them apart for good. Dark, gripping, psychological thriller from international bestseller Nina Manning. Well, that sounds like a good book. So I can't wait to read this one. So yeah, I've just finished reading a book actually from Book and Pamper, and that was really good. But now I've got the problem of picking which book to read next, because I have so many. So yeah, I don't know what book to read next. And my mum's just finished a book as well that sounds really good, and she really loved it, and she's given me that book as well to read, and I might read that one. Actually, it's called The Influence, which sounds really good. So it's like it's about an influencer. But I've got so many books I really want to read. I just can't pick which one. But now I've got this one as well in the pile, so we'll see what I end up reading. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below what you like the look of in this month's box, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.